Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Work It Out. This is me Kritika Khitani. I hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the very famous Mumbai Bhel recipe. Low in calories, healthy and my all-time favorite snack. If you liked the video, do hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Also press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Without any further ado, let's get into the making. For the green chutney, you will need coriander, mint leaves, 2 green chilies, ginger, dates also known as khajur, curry leaves, rock salt and cumin seeds. For the bhel, you can add any of your favorite vegetables. Here I am adding tomato, cucumber and onion. Not to forget the most important, puffed rice. Let's start with the green chutney. For this, take a mixer grinder jar. Into it, add coriander, mint leaves, green chilies, ginger, curry leaves, 4 to 5 dates, rock salt and cumin seeds. Now close the lid and grind all the ingredients well. Add little water to the chutney and blend well again. The chutney should look like this. You can add little more water to the chutney if you want it to be watery. This chutney is extremely healthy as mint is cooling to the body, coriander is full of vitamins, chilies help increase immunity, and dates are quite good for brain and heart health. It also prevents hair fall. You can store the chutney for 2 days. Now take a vessel. Into it, first add puffed rice. The reason puffed rice is looking different because I have added little turmeric powder. You can totally avoid if you want. Then add onion, cucumber, tomato and finally add 4 to 5 spoons of green chutney. Mix all the ingredients well. Your bhel is ready to be served. Take a serving bowl. Put the bhel into it. Lastly, garnish with some peanuts for the extra crunch. And let's start eating. Wasn't this quite simple? Do give this super quick and easy snack a try. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys found the video useful. Do let me know if you would like to watch any other recipe video. I would definitely try uploading the same. For more updates, stay connected to my Facebook and Instagram page and do follow the same. I have added the links to my Facebook and Instagram account in the description below. Until next time, stay happy. Bye.